Hi, my name is Christine Jones. I'm the creator of mUvmethod. mUvmethod is a conditioning program for dancers that specializes in stretching made safe, easy, and effective. Today I'm here with Caroline and we'll be going through 2 stretches designed to help you improve your leaps. And we're talking about getting in a full split in the air on things like your saut de chasse and your grand jetés. Now it is important to understand that you do need to be able to do a flat open hip split if you expect to get into a split in the air during your leaps. The stretches we'll be going through today really deepen a split, so they are used to do something we call a closed hip split. Now at mUvmethod, we use something called a closed hip split to deepen the split without overstretching ligaments. So the 2 stretches we'll be going through today are called extended crescent moon and closed hip split prep. Again, they're going to be very beneficial in getting your legs higher in the air on your grand jetés and your saut de chasse. All right, I'll be taking Caroline through a stretch called Extended Crescent Moon. This stretch is going to help deepen your splits as well as improve leaps and really anything you're doing in dance that requires hamstring and hip flexor flexibility, which means a lot. So let's go ahead and start in table pose, hands and knees. Once there, come into a low lunge. So exhale, step your right foot forward, tuck your back toes and lift your knee. Take a moment here just to feel the position and engage your front hamstring as well as your abdominals. Inhale, lower your back knee down, slide your right foot forward just about halfway. So you will maintain flexion in your right knee. Walk your hands back towards you, engage your abdominals. And when you inhale, go ahead and lift your back knee up, really getting a nice deep stretch on the back quad as well as hip flexors, and exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower down. You want to repeat this 3 to 5 times. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower down. And on the last one, you'll hold and breathe for 5, 4, shoulders relax, 3, abdominals engaged, 2, 1, release. All right, I will be taking Caroline through a stretch called closed hip splits prep. This stretch is great for releasing tension in your hamstrings. It will improve all sorts of dance-related skills, but today specifically we are applying it to getting into a split in the air during your saut de chasse and grand jetés. So go ahead and come to table pose. That's where we will begin. From table pose, exhale, low lunge. Step your right foot forward, tuck your back toes and lift your knee. Now slide your right leg out in front of you. And you can keep your hands exactly where they are and see if you can take the leg just a little bit more, and then go ahead and dorsiflex your ankles. So toes to the ceiling just increases the stretch on the back of the legs. Inhale, hold here with your knee lifted, and then go ahead and exhale, release your knee down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. So we are very effectively stretching the hamstrings as well as the hip flexors, particularly when she lifts her knee up. So go ahead and inhale, lift, and exhale, lower down. You'll repeat that 3 to 5 times, and then go ahead and lift your back knee and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.